Yes, but the kitten had his mouth open like he was trying to bite Tigger, and Tigger pulled his head and pushed his head down like, no, I'm giving you a bath.
Okay, Grampy wanna watch what you're doing, okay? Can I?
Can you see Baby, stop! Baby, stop! Hey guys, it's September 10th, Sunday. I have my apron on that Courtney gave me. I am going to vlog a little bit today, if I can. I might be decorating this area for fall. That's my bouquet from Kristen's wedding. I am cooking stew for supper, and I think I'm going to make some homemade rolls. So I'll take you guys along with me. So Mike helped me chop up some onion. I know there's some big pieces and some smaller pieces. And I'm just going to brown this up, and then I'm going to put the stew meat in. So that's my first step. Alright, so I'm browning up the beef. And then over here I'm going to start my rolls. So here's the recipe, the ingredients. You can screenshot that if you want. And then here's the recipe that I'm using. Okay guys, so I have my flour dough rising. Not my flour dough, my bun dough. And I added water into this, but we're going to add the vegetables. Mike's just gone, and we're going to get this mess cleaned up first before we start peeling vegetables and put them in. Then I'll have everything good to go. And like I said, I'll post the recipe down below. It's from the Stay at Home Chef, and I'll post it down below if you guys would like to try it out yourselves. KitchenAid's help though with stuff like that, or else you're going to be kneading the dough for a while. So I'm just going to take 5 while Mike is over. He went to see the neighbors for a minute. I think they're sick, so I think he's going to offer them a bowl of stew and a couple of buns each or something. So he's going to do that, and then we're going to peel the vegetables and get that ready, and then supper, the messy part's over with. Then we just got to wait. So yeah, I love my apron. I feel in the fall mood. So I think Courtney and I have decided, and I might see if Jacqueline wants to get in on it too, but I think we're going to do a fall dessert collab. I don't know when we're going to do it, but I'll keep you guys posted on that. We've talked about that. So we've also talked about for Vlogmas this year to mention a channel that we're enjoying and why we're enjoying it, why we're grateful for it at the beginning of every Vlogmas, which I think is an awesome idea as well. So yeah, just a few ideas. But anyway, I'm going to take 5. I'm going to take a little break, and I'm going to finish watching Courtney's vlog that she just finished posting. I was watching it before I started cooking, and I'm going to finish it and then start working again. So that's what's going on so far. Pumpkin's helping me cook. Aren't you, Pumpkin? He has to be right in the middle of the action. We're peeling vegetables currently. Alright, I'm going to put you down because I got to help. Alright, so, of course, the carrots are now in there, even though you can't see them, but they are in there. You got to get out of the way. Look at those babies. They're looking good. Alright, they got a few more minutes to rise yet. Okay, this is what it's looking like. We're in the process of thickening it up. I think we need to mix one more flour and water to put in there. Some people use cornstarch. I use flour. I think one more should do it, Mike. Because it's thickening up. Oh yeah, that's thickening up real good. Getting ready to take them out of the oven. They look good now, Mike. They're toasted up at the top now. We took them out when the time limit was up, but they weren't golden on the top. Now they are. Oh yeah, that's better. I don't know if it's coming off on camera, but they are golden. Yeah, you can see them like there. So Mike's going to take the little paintbrush and put some butter over the top of them. Hit clear, Mike. There you go. Oh, they look so good and they smell good. And then we got a bowl with some stew in it for our neighbors because they're not feeling good. So we're going to send stew and buns over to them. I'm not ready to have supper yet, but I'll show you guys when I have some. I forgot to show my supper when I was having it, but what else was new? But it was delicious, so that's all that matters, right? Oh, I hate this. It's like 20 after 7 and it's getting dark out. Not looking forward to that. I'm okay with fall and winter weather. I just wish it would stay later out longer, but unfortunately it doesn't. So, yeah. I don't know if I have much else to talk about today. I might have to continue vlogging. Try tomorrow, see if I get anything and put it on, but I don't know if I think of something else that I can vlog in this one. I know it's boring. I was just at home all day. We watched Kaylee last night for a little while, and I didn't really vlog. We were just spending time with her, so but I think we're taking her to the wildlife park on Saturday, so if the weather cooperates, so that'd be something that we can do. I've been just like lounging all day in between making rolls and stew. So yeah, that was my Sunday. I hope you guys are having a good Sunday. You know what, I think I'll just cut this one off and it'll just be a short one, and I'll try to vlog more through the week. So I hope you guys had a great weekend. I hope you have a great week coming up, and I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye everyone.